In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy to make a modern flower arrangement. It only takes you a few minutes to finish. Hey guys, it's Donald here. Welcome to my channel. It is almost New Year, and I just want to take this chance and wish everyone a happy New Year. Hope everyone has a wonderful 2023. In this video, I want to show you an easy way how to make a modern flower arrangement just using everyday floral products to make it cool and unique. Okay, without any further delay, let me show you how to make this modern arrangement. In this arrangement, I'm going to use Speedo vases, a central large square bowl, to create something super cool. But at the same time, by cutting all the flowers to almost the same height, it gives a fantastic modern influence to this arrangement. At first, we will prepare the container with Oasis Midnight Foam. I used one midnight foam, cut it into half, and use some small pieces to fill up the gap around it. And then I will put the pre-cut branches 5 to 7 inches long and place it on the oasis to create the first layer for your arrangement. After that, we can put the flowers on it. I cut all the flowers at the same level so it creates the second layer for this arrangement. And then I put few pieces of Midolino stick to create the vertical line to give some movement into it. That will be our third layer, so it doesn't look too static. After that, I put a tall branch to finish it off, and this is our fourth layer. It looked wonderful. This arrangement has some of my Asian influence in it. I love it.